Is he a law enforcement officer?
How'd you get here? My car. You don't have any drivers?
I lost it.
Do you have any weapons on you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, where's it at?
On my hip.
Okay, so we thought. Are you a police officer?
I'm not. No.
Okay, all right. What are you?
A federal marshal.
Okay, all right, that's what we had to ask.
You don't have an ID?
No.
Okay. Just, we don't want you reaching for anything.
I'm not reaching for anything.
If you're a federal marshal, you understand what we're doing, right?
Absolutely. Just.
You have your federal marshal ID?
No.
So you're carrying a weapon with no ID on you?
No. Because I just stepped out of my house to get this character.
Do you have a number we can call for your supervisor?
No.
Okay, I got to take this for you just for our safety.
Handcuff him.
For what?
Until we figure out what's going on. You have a weapon, you have no ID on you.
It's not a real weapon.
You're carrying a fake weapon.
Yeah.
And you're a federal marshal?
No. He's got a little badge.
Are you not?
No.
Congratulations, you're just impersonating a police officer. That's a federal offense. Oh yeah. Congratulations. That's a felony.
Look it. I just.
Good eye, Alex.
Hello, Jim.
Set of keys.
What's the story? Why are you carrying around a fake gun?
I'm a limousine driver, and
I thought you were a federal marshal.
Hey, here, you got a badge that says U.S. Marshal. You're claiming to be U.S. Marshals. You have a badge. What does that say on it?
Marshal.
So why are we carrying around fake stuff? You know it's illegal.
no, I didn't know it was illegal.
Yes, you are displaying yourself as a law enforcement officer.
No,
We just asked you, are you in law enforcement? You said, yes,
No.
I'm a U.S. Marshal. That's illegal. That's a felony.
guys.
Oh, absolutely not. We don't play around with this.